Not all religious houses were in decline when Henry VIII struck. St. Peter's, the parish church of Carmarthen, once the church of the Priory of St. John. This priory was well reported on by Henry's spies. They wrote, "Hospitality is daily kept, which is a great relief to the country, being poor and bare. Strangers and merchantmen resorting to these parts are honestly received and entertained, whereby they are gladder to bring their commodities to that country." So the priory managed to survive the dissolution for a few years, but the blow fell in 1539. Then, from being an Elizabethan gentleman's house, the buildings declined and the ruins were cleared away in the 19th century. This church is really all that remains of a great institution, where our oldest complete manuscript of Welsh poetry was written, Llyfrgell Caerfyrddin, the Black Book of Carmarthen.